About this item: this RIITOP M.2 dock is not only NVMe to USB adapter, but also works with M.2, B and M key, SATA-based M.2 SSD. It's designed for those who own multiple M.2 NVMe SSDs or SATA channel SSDs that need to be frequently plugging and unplugging. No mounting screws need, simply insert the M.2 device and connect USB-C cable. You can start using it as external SSD immediately. Wide compatibility of RIITOP M.2 NVMe to USB docking station, support most of M.2 SSDs, compatible with NVMe SSDs, such as Samsung 970 EVO/950 Pro/960 EVO/XP941/PM951/SM951/SM962, WD Black NVMe SSD and so on. And also compatible with M.2, B and M key, SATA-based SSD. M.2 NVMe dock installation: 1. Insert NVMe SSD into slot 2. Connect USB cable to computer. Please note, 1. The temperature of the entire operating SSD may exceed 60 degrees Celsius. Please do not touch the SSD. 2. It cannot support hot plugging. Please don't exchange the SSDs when connecting. 3. Do not support PCIe M key AHCI SSD. Please check with the picture. Package including 1x M.2 to USB docking, 1x USB-C to USB-CY cable in the description to get this product today.